Hello guys. It's a really sad day here at the dealership. But it is also one of the good days here at the dealership because we are selling big grain to one of our local farmers and a few other tractors. I believe he's ordered around, 4 tractors, including big grain.
Yeah, 4.
She just got done maintenance on her. So he's actually called us. We got a pretty big paycheck from it. Boss said he wants it by tonight, which we can get it way before tonight. Alright, Fred's gonna be loading up big grain, the 4040 and the 4020 up on the trailer. Hey, don't forget your oversized load banner and all the lights and stuff.
Yep, got it.
I'm gonna start loading up my stuff. I think he wanted 3 tractors on mine, I believe. 2 on the bed and 1 on the stinger. Alright. I'm gonna reverse up to these so we don't have to drive them very far. Alright, and then we're gonna turn off we're gonna turn on the light bar. Let's see, we can extend the bed. And then raise it. Alright, and then we raise it all the way up. So I believe he wanted this tractor, and this one over here. So I'm gonna bring this one. Actually, I think I'm gonna do this one and put this one on the stinger because that's probably the lightest one. So we're gonna pull it up here. Freddy, doing good over there?
Yeah, I'm good.
Alright. Alright, I gotta grab the winch. And then attach it right here. Oh shoot, that's not right. Disconnect. Grab winch. Right there. Alright. Now we gotta retract it. Yeah, bring her on up here. Come on, pull it. We got Fred right here in the semi. We actually bought that semi like around a week ago. It's a very nice semi. It's a nice Peterbilt. Alright, she's up on there. And we gotta get, actually I think I can get her up more. Attach it on. Alright.
You need this 4020 too, right?
Are you gonna load this one up on here? Or
Yeah,
up
I'll
on
do it
yours?
if you want.
Do you have enough room?
I could probably back her up.
I might not have I could fit it on here if you don't have enough room on there. Wait, get big grain and back her up on the trailer a little bit more. We might be able to get it on there. Here, yeah, you can get that on here, and I'll get the stinger and put the other one on the stinger. Let me get you. Uh-oh, what's happening? Oh, okay. Freaking hate that.
Good
load.
over there.
Yeah. Nobody saw that. Alright, I'm gonna load her back. I gotta put her down on the trailer so the weight. attach. Shoot.
I have to whitelist each other.
Oh, shoot. She almost fell down. Alright. I gotta... Alright. Disconnect. Alright. We're gonna raise her up so we can put the other tractor up on the stinger.
Hey, buddy.
Yeah.
This 4020 ain't wanting to start.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't know what to do about it. We can get the other
Another
one.
one.
Get the other one out of the garage. That one just came out of service.
Yeah. I'll get the other one.
And make sure to put that one back in the garage. Hey, buddy, you kind of put your semi-truck in the middle of the tractors.
Yeah, you know.
It's fine.
Want it loaded or not?
Alright. Just get her up on there. Think that's how you do it? Yep, and then... See, we raise it? Oh, shoot, that's the bed. There we go. I have to fix her a little bit, but I think that's fine. Make sure. Oh shoot, those can't touch. Retract it a bit. Alright, I think that's extended. I think that's good right there. What you think, Rib?
Looks pretty good. I managed to get this 4020 up on here.
I'm gonna get the light bar. Actually, I don't think I need the light bar, really. It's not really oversized. Alright, you... actually, I know the way... I have the way in my GPS, and also I can act as your little pilot car. Alright, look both ways. Oh shoot. Alright, let's get her rolling. Rolling cold right now. Oh shoot, we in the grass. But it's good. We're all good.
Where?
You good back there, Fred?
Yep, got her.
Man, these company trucks, semi-trucks are nice, dude.
Yeah, they are. Now that we got these new ones, them old ones were terrible. I'm gonna back it in here.
Alright, I'll give you some space. Actually, let me slip through first, so I'm not waiting.
Yeah, you got it.
Alright, he said just to put him in the warehouse, and he'll move him when he gets home. He's out of town right now. Alright. Oh, shoot! Alright, it's fine. Alright, let me disconnect that.
The air ride's nice too.
What?
Gotta go do a ditch.
Yeah.
I'm using this air ride system. Oh no! We're good.
Alright.
Might need to tell Farmer John to get a new flagpole.
Alright, it's fine. Company will pay for it. He did give us the keys to his warehouse, so it's pretty easy. Where are you parked at? Oh, you're over there. Alright. I only have my last tractor. I can help you with yours. Holy crap, these suspension. Look at this suspension, dude. Holy.
Yeah, it's got airbags too. You can like lower it and raise it. It's 40/20.
I'll get the 40/20 here in a second. I gotta put the 40/40 in there.
I don't know if Big Brain will even fit up in here.
She might.
Oh, she got her. Yeah.
Alright, we gotta put the 40/20 in here and that should be it.
Okay.
Alright, so we locked up his warehouse, this new shipment of tractors, and then Fred, I think we can head back and clock out.
It sounds good.
Yeah, and you wanna head up the bar after this?
Yeah. Go to the new one. I just put a new one in town.
I'll meet you over there. I gotta retract the bed. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Sorry I haven't uploaded it in a while. I've just been really busy, unmotivated kind of. If you like this video, subscribe. We're about to hit 1K subs. That's my dream right there, is 1K. And I hope y'all have a nice day. Peace.